I'm Ashley Taylor, and today I'm going to be showing you my version of a mini EDC, an everyday carry. The container we're going to use is a basic thermos, which you could grab from any major box store. This is going to give you a good insulated mug along with a container. First thing we're going to do is add duct tape. We're just going to wrap this around the outside of the thermos several times, giving us several feet of tape. You could use this as cordage or a fire starter. Next, we're going to grab an old or new bicycle inner tube and cut it in half. Then cut it again down the middle of the tube. We're going to wrap this around the thermos and tape it on. This can be used as tinder or to attach objects to each other. Now we're going to put a pair or two of hot hands inside the thermos, leaving room in the center for the rest of the items. Next is a Bic Lighter. While it won't last forever, it will last for a while and works great in crappy conditions. The next tool is a foldable razor blade. Not only great for everyday cutting, but also a great tool if you ever need to field dress an animal for dinner. Water tablets are a must for any EDC, large or small. Having these with you is a huge deal if you run out of half-empty water bottles from your car. Next is some nylon thread. This is a very strong thread and great for either tying objects together or for using as a fishing line if needed. The 9th item in this kit is a Commando Saw, which is basically just a quick and easy way to cut wood. Next is a handful of fishing hooks. To keep these together and to keep them from stabbing anyone, you can use painter's tape to hold them together and cover the sharp points. Now we're going to do the same thing with some needles and a safety pin. These are great to have in case you ever need to sew some material back together or put a patch on. The last is some great force steel wool. This is a great fire starter and should be in any EDC. The great thing about this small kit is you can keep it almost anywhere, and it's not that expensive to put together. Obviously, it doesn't replace a bug-out bag or a full-size EDC, but it can be a valuable tool to keep in the car, four-wheeler, or boat. Alright guys, do you have a mini EDC? Let us know in the comments below what you keep in yours, or better yet, show us a picture. And then head on over to Rated Red's YouTube channel and hit subscribe. From the cabin, I'm Ashley Taylor.